Hello and welcome to YCMOU Easy Learning. In today's video, we will be discussing how to read a novel chapter 2. What is a novel? From the SYBA English course. Book code ENG215. This video focuses entirely on important questions and their detailed answers. Specially designed to help YCMOU students prepare effectively for exams. We'll cover topics like, what is a novel and its features? How is it different from a novella? How does a novel reflect society? And how do writers express their vision of life through novels? Each answer is explained clearly in simple English with helpful examples so you can understand the concepts easily and score better in your exams. So make sure to watch till the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful YCMOU content. Let's begin. Question 8. What is a novel? What are its main features? Answer. A novel is a long fictional narrative that presents a detailed and structured story about characters, their experiences, and the world around them. Unlike short stories or poems, novels allow for deeper exploration of themes, characters, settings, and human emotions. It is one of the most powerful forms of literature because it combines imagination, observation, and commentary on real life. The main features of a novel include a well-developed plot, complex characters, a clear setting, time and place, dialogue, and one or more themes that give the novel meaning. Novels often reflect the writer's view of life and society and may contain subplots or parallel narratives. Novels can cover a wide range of subjects: love, war, social injustice, freedom, identity, etc. They may be written in various styles: realistic, romantic, satirical, psychological, or experimental. Through characters and events, a novel allows readers to experience different lives and situations, helping them build empathy and awareness. What makes the novel unique is its ability to combine storytelling with deep analysis of the human condition. A good novel not only entertains but also makes readers think, question, and reflect on their own lives. This is why novels are widely studied in literature courses and are considered essential for understanding both art and society. In summary, a novel is more than just a story. It is a window into life, society, and the human mind. Question 2. What is the difference between a novel and a novella? Answer. Though both the novel and novella are forms of narrative fiction, there are important differences between them in terms of length, complexity, and focus. A novel is a long narrative, often 60,000 to 1 lakh words or more, and it usually explores multiple characters, subplots, themes, and settings. It provides detailed character development, slow-paced progression, and often offers social commentary or philosophical depth. Examples include Great Expectations by Charles Dickens or The God of Small Things by Arundhati Roy. A novella, on the other hand, is shorter, typically 20,000 to 50,000 words, and focuses on a single theme or character. It does not have the space for elaborate subplots or many characters. The storytelling is tighter, more concentrated, and usually revolves around a single event, emotion, or conflict. Famous novellas include The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway or Animal Farm by George Orwell. While both forms aim to tell a story, The novel offers depth and complexity, while the novella provides intensity and clarity. Novels allow the writer to build an entire world, while novellas tend to focus more narrowly and sharply. Writers choose between the two depending on the story they wish to tell and how much exploration the subject demands. Both are valuable in literature, offering different reading experiences to the audience. Question: how is a novel a mirror to society? Answer: a novel is often described as a mirror held to society because it reflects the realities of the world in which it is written. While telling fictional stories, novels often capture the values, beliefs, conflicts, and social structures of their time. Through characters, events, and settings, a novel brings to life the joys and sorrows, successes and failures, and dreams and disappointments of real people. For example, Charles Dickens's novels like Oliver Twist or Hard Times reflect the harsh life of the poor during the Industrial Revolution in England. Similarly, in Indian literature, novels like Mulk Raj Anand's Untouchable portray caste-based discrimination, while Arundhati Roy's The God of Small Things explores issues of family, class, and social rules. By reading such novels, readers gain insight into how society functions, what problems people face, and how different social groups interact. Novels bring to light hidden issues like poverty, gender inequality, racism, corruption, and cultural tensions. Some novels even criticize social systems and push for change. A novel does not always present society directly. Sometimes, through metaphors or symbolic characters, it shows deeper truths. But whether directly or indirectly, the novel helps readers understand their own world better. Thus, a novel goes beyond storytelling. It becomes a historical, emotional, and cultural document. It shows us who we are as a society and who we could become. That is why novels are considered vital tools in understanding human civilization. Question: how does a writer express their vision of life through a novel? Answer: a novel is not just a creative product. It is also a window into the mind and heart of the writer. Every novelist brings their own view of life, society, morality, and human behavior into their writing. This personal view, often called the writer's vision of life, is shaped by their upbringing, culture, beliefs, and experiences. Some writers express a positive and hopeful view of life, highlighting the strength of the human spirit. Others take a more critical or dark view, showing pain, injustice, or the struggle for survival. For example, Leo Tolstoy's War and Peace reflects spiritual growth and human complexity, while George Orwell's 1984 warns readers about the dangers of dictatorship and loss of freedom. In Indian literature, R.K. Narayan's novels offer a gentle, humorous view of small-town life, while authors like Jhampa Lahiri focus on identity, migration, and alienation. Even in romantic or fantasy novels, the writer's beliefs about love, fate, or freedom are visible. A writer's vision is shown through how they develop characters, what kinds of situations they include, the language they use, and how the story ends. Every decision reflects their thinking. Whether they believe people are good or flawed, whether society is fair or corrupt, or whether life has meaning. For readers, understanding the writer's perspective deepens the reading experience. It turns the novel into more than a story. It becomes a conversation between the writer and the reader about life itself. Thank you for watching this video on how to read a novel chapter 2. What is a novel? From the SYBA English course. Book code ENG215. We hope these questions and answers helped you understand the key ideas of the chapter. Like the definition of a novel, its features, its connection to society, and the writer's personal vision. If you found this video useful for your exam preparation, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, YCMOU Easy Learning, for more videos based on your syllabus. Stay tuned for the next chapters and complete exam guidance. All the best for your studies. Keep learning and keep growing.